Welcome to another PCS Company product demonstration video. Today we'll be discussing Karcher dry ice blasters. Cleaning residues, oils, greases, and other contaminants off molds and dies can be extremely difficult, especially when cleaning complex shapes, crevices, and angles. Standard practices like sandblasting are abrasive and leave unwanted residues and particulate like sand and glass behind. Leaning on almost 75 years of experience in the pressure washer industry, Karcher has designed a line of dry ice blasters to solve these problems. Karcher ice blasters use a jet of compressed air to fire a dry ice pellet at speeds up to 335 miles per hour at the desired surface. The pellets penetrate cracks and crevices, lift contaminants, and turn into CO2 gas on impact. This process leaves no trace and produces minimal waste. The IB15120 model provides the highest performance for the toughest blasting jobs. The IB15120 can blast up to 265 pounds of dry ice pellets per hour at up to 232 psi. With its variable pressure and flow controls, the IB15120 is ideal for just about any dry ice blasting job. The compact IB740 ice blaster offers many of the benefits of the larger IB15120, but has a smaller footprint and can run from a much smaller compressed air supply, therefore making it ideal for use with in-house compressed air systems. Karcher's newest ice blaster is the IB1015 L2P. The L2P line is the first line in the world to use integrated dry ice production. Instead of storing dry ice on your premises, the L2P system converts liquid CO2 into dry ice pellets on demand. This eliminates the need to acquire and store dry ice, reduces cleaning time, and improves performance. All ice blaster models have easy to operate large buttons and electronic controls. For more information on Karcher dry ice blasters, visit our website at www.pcs-company.com. Thanks for watching.